Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be doing the sun visors in my 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is for the 2007 to the 2013. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Alright, so here's the two sun visors I did pick up. I got them on Amazon and they do come individually. So if you only need to replace one, you can just pick up the one that you need. But these are actually really nice and they even have a little strap there on the back side so you can hang stuff on there if you need to. But there's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can go pick these up. But also I suggest getting a pry tool, or you could probably use a flathead screwdriver for this. But pry tools make it a lot easier, and a lot of other projects do require pry tools. But these are both the visors, so we're going to go ahead and install them now. Alright, so now that we're inside the car, here is my sun visor. It doesn't stay up all the way, and then whenever I flip it down, it just kind of flops, and I can't even hold a sun visor up because it just keeps kind of falling off. So what we're going to have to do is, there's this little plastic cover that we're going to have to remove first, and sometimes it does help to just go ahead and pop that out so you have a little bit more wiggle room here. So we're going to use the little pry tool, and we're going to get right on this back edge, and we're going to not go too deep, but you just want to pop off just enough for that little cover. And it's going to have to like twist it a little bit. There we go. So you can kind of see how that does pop down. And then we're going to have to go over to the front side, or you can even swing this around to be able to get back here a lot easier. And then we're going to pop off the front side of that little plastic cover. That little cover actually holds the clips in place. So once we pop that down, the whole thing might actually want to just go ahead and pop out. So there we go. And now you can kind of see how this whole mechanism works. You have these two metal clips that are holding right onto like the metal body, but then this little plastic piece on the bottom actually has these two tabs that kind of go up on the inside of that. And then what you're going to want to do with the new one is you want to bend this up so that it's kind of, there's a lot more room to work with. It's going to be really, really firm as it is a brand new piece. All right, so what you want to do then is go ahead and pop this little plastic piece off, and you can kind of see those two little tabs that go up into the little metal clips. But this will allow us to be able to have enough room to be able to kind of push this up into place and kind of pop them into place. There we go. And that would be kind of loose, so then you want to go ahead and grab the little plastic piece and be able to hook it on. Let me just go ahead and pop that in place now to kind of hold it, and then we're going to go ahead and grab this, bring it up and around, and then just push it up into place on the front and back. And now that that's snapped in place, you can go ahead and make sure that that's clipped on, and just like that, the sun visor is done. And now you can see it's nice and solid, and then whenever I flip it down, it's pretty firm. I accidentally touched it right here, so ignore that. But it also stays in the up position, and it does work really nice. It swings around, and I think this is a great deal. So definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can get the driver side and passenger side sun visors on Amazon. So if this video did help you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button. Also put in the comments down below if you guys have any questions or concerns. But like I said, links in the description down below for everything that you're going to need for this project, and a whole bunch of other things, because I've done a lot of stuff to this car recently, especially with a lot of like mechanical stuff like spark plugs, ignition coils, alternator, serpentine belt, all kinds of stuff. There's going to be links for all that in the description down below too. And I even have this in a playlist with a bunch of other Toyota Corolla videos. But if you guys did like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.